Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 2013 Chrysler Town Country. For a 13, got good miles on it, 108 I believe, yep, 500. Few little rock chips and a little scuff in that front bumper. And a little crack paint here, and of course all these, even like this one, which is a southern one, you'll get a little corrosion on them edges because they get a rock chip. So, but this is from Arizona, so nice clean van, very good shape. When we did buy it, the transmission didn't work, so instead of putting a high mileage used one in, we just put a new one right from Chrysler. So has a 100,000 mile warranty on the transmission. Little bit of wear on the inside right there. You got a cracked seat, and then the Arizona sun does that. But otherwise, nice van. Got DVD player. You can see the floor mats in it. Power sliding doors. Got the stow and go bucket seats. Rear air and heat. Scratch right there. Does got the power hat. Sometimes they don't know which way to go. You can see the third row will fold down into there. So there's your power rear hatch. Like I said, no rust on here. Being from Arizona, got a couple lighter scratches there. We have that piece coming. That's really common on these things. They break on a lot of them. So lighter interior. A lot of them are black, so you don't see very many with the light gray interior. So a really nice van for its age. Needs a little buffing to get a few little scratches out of it. Like I said, been through the shop, got good tread on the tires. Comes with a 3-month, 3,000 mile comprehensive warranty, except for transmission has a longer warranty. So any questions? 605-692-7010.